welcome back to Savvy Cuisine, and today we are going to make a special Szechuan chili chicken. So let's begin. Here I have taken one whole breast piece and we have to cut it into a medium size cube pieces. Now add 1 egg. Next add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Add a little bit of salt. Now we have to mix everything together. Keep it for 5 minutes. Now add about 1 cup of corn flour. Mix it well. Next we have to fry our chicken pieces. For that, place a pan and add oil. Once the oil gets hot, now we have to add the chicken pieces. We have to fry until it gets crispy golden color. So now our crispy chicken is ready. This is the exact crispness we require. So for the final cooking, first place a pan. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, keep the flame on low. Saute it until a light golden color. Now the color has changed, and add about 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. About 2 teaspoons of Schezwan sauce, look at this texture, it's actually very colorful. Now we have to add about 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and half teaspoon of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch slurry, finally adding our crispy fried chicken. Mix all together. And finally adding some chopped spring onion. So our delicious crispy Szechuan chili chicken is ready. So for more variety recipes, don't forget to subscribe our channel.